Hello, welcome back to our math tutorial. So since we already know how to find the domain of the rational function, so this time let's find the range of a rational function. So we already know that the rational function is in the form of f of x is equal to p of x all over q of x, where our p of x all over q of x is a polynomial and our denominator q of x is not equal to 0. So let's move on to our example. So, for the previous video, diniscuss natin kung paano hanapin ang domain. So, this time, let's move on in getting the range of the rational function. So, in getting the range of the rational function, we need to change the f of x into y. So, y is equal to 2 over x minus 3. And then the next step here is we need to cross multiply. So, y over 1 is equal to 2 over x minus 3. Now let's do the cross multiplication. So y times x minus 3 is equal to y times x minus 3 is equal to 2 times 1 is 2. So we need to distribute this. Y times x is equal to xy. Then y times negative 3 is negative 3y is equal to 2. So in order to get the value of y, we need to move the negative 3y to the right side. We need to transpose. So xy is equal to 2 plus 3y. So, nandito na ngayon yung ating variable na x and y, and then nalipat na rin natin yung 3y. Next step is we need to divide both side by y para matira yung ating variable x. So, divide both side by y. So, the value of our x now is 2 plus 3y all over y. So since this is now the value of our x, now the next step is we need to equate the denominator into 0. So y is equal to 0. Therefore, our range here is all real numbers such that y is not equal to 0. So this is our range. Again, all the values of the, all the real numbers such that y is not equal to 0. So next example is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 all over 2x minus 1. So again, the first step we are going to do is change the f of x into y. So y is equal to 4x plus 3 over 2x minus 1. So next step is do the cross multiplication. So y times 2x minus 1 is y times 2x minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 3. So next step is we need to distribute the y here by distributive property. So y times 2x is 2xy minus y is equal to 4x plus 3. Next step is move the 4x to the left side. We need to transpose the 4x to the left side. So 2xy minus 4x minus y is equal to 3. So after transposing the 4x to the left side, next step naman natin is to transpose the negative y to the right side. So 2xy minus 4x is equal to 3 plus y. So kung napapansin natin, nasa left side na ang ating 2x. Yung dalawang x natin ay nandun na sa left side. So next step is we need to factor the 2xy minus 4x. So this will become x times 2y minus 4 is equal to 3 plus y. And then next step, para matira yung x natin dito sa left side, we need to divide both sides by 2y minus 4. So 2y minus 4 and then 2y minus 4. So the value of our x now is, the value of our x is 3 plus y divided by 2y minus 4. So next step, kapag kuha na natin yung value ng ating x, we need to equate the denominator into 0. So 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So para matira yung variable y natin sa left side, we need to transpose the negative 4 to the right side. So 2y is equal to positive 4. And then again, we need to divide both sides by 2 para matira yung y natin. So now the value of y is 2. And then to conclude, the range in our example number 2 is all the real numbers such that y is not equal to 2. So again, this is now our range in the example number 2. So ganun lang yung pagkuha sa ating range sa rational function.